I analyze some of the most addictive online shopping websites to find out if there's a secret formula that keeps you clicking. I focused on the homepage design for this video, and as your go-to website girly, who's designed and built over 100 websites and digital experiences for global brands, I'm here to reveal how you can level up your Shopify homepage design to increase conversions and get more sales. So stick around, because in this video, I'll analyze the 4 most conversion lifting design elements that all these websites have in common. You'll learn the psychology behind each of them, where you should put them on your homepage for optimal results, and at the very end, I'll show you the homepage template I've put together based on my research and my 10 years of experience. It includes 2 bonus conversion lifting elements that you're going to want to know about. And of course, I'll show you where you can download it for free. Why are we so quick to trust our name, address, credit card information to a website we saw on an ad? Trust is a two-way street. For example, if a friend opens up to you about something private, wouldn't you feel more comfortable to do the same? That's how trust works in human relationships, and it's no different online. Have you ever noticed this little strip on top of your favorite websites? It's called a trust bar, and it's like a website's way of opening up first. So whether it's free shipping or a return policy, its job is to make you feel at ease by making a promise. That's why the best online stores put it at the top of their homepage, because they want you to see it first, so they can answer the biggest question: can I trust you? Time is the one thing you can never get back. And maybe that's why we throw thousands of dollars on things that buy us time. I'm here to tell you that there is a way to give time and earn more in return. There's a concept in design called Hick's Law that states the fewer steps you make somebody take, the faster and easier it is for them to make a decision. Essentially, you can give time to your customers by making your site navigation as easy and clean as possible. Like Isaac Newton once said, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So when you give your customers time, they will reward you with their attention. And that's why the best brands know to put a visual category carousel at the top of their homepage, either right above or below the banner. They know it's not just about being organized, it's about giving time. By helping your customers find what they need faster, you're also building trust, reducing friction, and in return, they're more likely to spend money with you. Time is the most priceless gift you can give to your customers that gives back even bigger opportunities for you. If you knew you were going in the wrong direction, would you turn around or would you keep going? If the road signs don't match what we're expecting, isn't it our instinct to turn around and go back? Your homepage banner is like a signpost. It's the first thing your visitors are going to see, which makes it the most critical element. And if all they're seeing is red flags, they're going to turn around and never come back. That's why the highest converting websites keep their banners clean, focused, and purposeful. It's your chance to guide them in the right direction and reassure them that if they invest more time, they'll find what they're looking for. Design your banner more intentionally, and I guarantee you, visitors are going to spend more time on your site and be more likely to convert. How do you feel when you ask a simple "how was your day?" and the person you're asking starts monologuing about everything they did that day? Does it make you regret asking? Humans are designed to connect to stories, not data. A great story keeps us curious and wanting more. That's why we call good books page turners. Without it, we tune out and move on. That's why the best online stores make their homepage feel like page turners. Take Apple. They are the masters of storytelling. They make you scroll using animations to keep you hooked, and by the time you've connected emotionally with the story, that you want to buy their product. Now imagine if Apple just threw in the product image with no context. Would it be as appealing? But you do not have to go all out like Apple. You can start with 3 to 4 sections and focus your message on telling a story that resonates with your audience. Take a look at your homepage and reflect. Is it telling a story that connects, or is it just a list of products? If you want to increase your conversions, ask yourself, what stories can I tell? I put all these elements that we talked about today on a homepage template to help you get started. I understand how tricky it can be editing your website on Shopify when your theme is so limited, so you're going to want to watch the next video where I show you how to build custom pages or landing pages on Shopify without the limitations of a theme. Thanks for making it this far, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.